Jai Gurudev. Yes. Are you all feeling fresh? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, today we have so many surprising things for you. Yes. So you're going to learn a new lesson. Okay. Lesson name is Monkeys Go Fasting. Okay, monkeys go fasting. It's going to be very interesting story and you're going to enjoy. Okay. So before that, this lesson is all about this lesson is all about what is the lesson name? The monkeys go fasting, I said. So whom I'm going to talk about? So which animal I'm going to talk about? Yes, I'm going to say some interesting facts about monkeys. Okay. So where you can find the monkeys? Come on. Where you can find the monkeys? Have you all seen a monkey? Yes? I think everyone, right? Yes, it's in the jungle, right? Yes, very good. Yes. Apart from jungle, where you can see? Yes, in the temples, right? Very good. You can see in the temples, right? Yes, very good. Yes, zoo. It's not Z. Ah, very good. Zoo. Yes, you can see in the zoo. Yes, temples. Yes, when you go to the temples, which is in the hill, right? Little mountain, right? You can find the monkeys over there. What the monkeys will usually do? What they will do? They are the naughtiest animals, right? Yes, they will come and snatch your food. Yes or no? If you take something with you, what they will do? Yes, have you heard? Yes, very good. They will snatch the food. Very good. So they are the naughtiest animal, right? Yes. Now you're going to learn few facts about monkeys. So the first one is there are over 264 species of monkeys. Okay. Yes, kindly go on mute, Kanna. Who is that? Yes, only then it will be very clear. Okay. Yes. See, 264 species. What do you mean by species? Okay. Can you see all the monkeys of same type? Yes. All the monkeys are of same type? No, you can see different kinds of monkeys, right? Some are small, some are big. Yes, some are some other color, right? Their face will be different. Yes, isn't it or not? So the different kinds, no? So that is what mentioned as species. Okay, so different kinds of. So how many kinds are there actually? 264 kinds of. Yes, very good one. 264 kinds of monkey species of monkeys are there. Okay. Next, you are going to know about another fact. Okay, see what you can see on the slide. What is that? Gorillas, isn't it or not? Yes. Yes, come on, name any one film by gorillas. You can see. You have seen so many Hollywood films, right? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, come on, tell me. Any one film? Yes? What, Kana? Yes? No one has seen gorillas in the film. Huh? King Kong. Very good. Yes, very good. King Kong, right? Very good. Superb. Godzilla isn't it or not? Yes, you can see the. Yes. So what they will do? When someone tickle you, what you will do? What you will do? Someone touches you. Yes, what you will do? Yes, kindly go on mute, Kanna. Yes, what you will do? Yes, you will all laugh, right? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, very good. So, likewise, the gorillas also laugh. Girja ma'am, kindly put everyone on mute. Yes. So, when someone beat you or you got hurt by yourself, yes, if you feel sad, what you will do? what you will do? You will cry, right? Yes or no? You will be crying, right? Yes. So like this gorillas also will laugh, cry. They will be also sad like us. They too have emotions like us. Yes, yes, children, kindly be on mute. Yes, yes, be Vaishnavi. Yes, yes, children. So these gorillas will laugh when they are tickled and cry when they are sad or hurt. Next slide, ma'am. Okay. Next, you are going to know about another type of, it is called a spider monkey. Okay, this is one among the monkey. It is called a spider monkey. See the spider monkey, what it will do, it has a tail, right? Every monkey. So monkeys will have tail, right? So what the monkeys will, this type of monkey will do, they will curl the tail, okay, in the branches, and they will pick the fruits. Okay, so this type of monkeys use their tails for balance. Okay, they are using the tails for balance, like how we are using hands, they are using their tails. Okay, so they are whenever they are jumping, swinging, or climbing, so using their tails. Likewise, what they will do, they can do all sorts of things with their tails. Okay, what way what they will do means they will curl their tails around the tree branches and they will grip tightly. Okay, so that what they will do, they can even pick fruit and hold objects. Okay, so how nice, isn't it or not? So have you seen the hanging monkey? Yes, they will. Yes, have you ever seen? Yes, very good. And you're going to know about next one. Monkeys and apes are different types. Okay, so not all comes under monkey. Okay, so you can see gorillas are not monkeys. They are called as apes. What you should call as apes. Monkeys and apes are different. Okay, so what is the difference? You say both are monkeys only, ma'am. Yes. Can you find the difference? Can you spot out one difference between the monkeys and the apes? So you have saw the chimpanzees, right? Yes, and monkeys are there. What is the difference? What is the difference? Monkeys have tail. Monkeys have tail. Primates means it's a group of mammals. So we are all mammals, right? Yes, giving birth to young ones are called as mammals. Okay, it is called as mammals, whereas humans, monkey, and apes or primate means they have a flexible hand. Okay, they have a good eyesight, developed brain. Can you see the gorillas? They can even do all the works what we are doing, simple works, they can even do. Okay, they have little bit developed brain. That's what called as primates. Okay, someone asked for the doubt. Okay, so we all come under primates. Okay, so likewise this monkey and apes. Okay, so the monkeys, what they have? They have tail. Yes, tail. Tail, tail. Yes, they have tail, but the apes don't have. Have you noticed? Yes, have you noticed the gorillas and the chimpanzees? Yes, they don't have tail, right? Yes. Next, another difference is, okay, the monkeys will be smaller. Comparing to the apes, the monkeys will be little smaller, isn't it or not? Yes. And the third one is the monkeys usually walk with the four limbs. Okay, so they have limbs, four limbs and hind legs. You should not say that as arms and legs. So we only have arms and legs. We have to call it as legs. Okay, so they use their four uh, limbs to what? Walk. So they use the four legs actually. Okay, four and walk. But these apes, have you seen apes? They can even walk with two, right? Yes or no? So this are the difference between the monkeys and the apes. Okay, children? Yes. And Now we are going to move on to the lesson. Are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready, children? Yes, very good. Now myself and Kanchana ma'am going to what? Teach you the lesson. The monkeys go fasting. Are you all ready? This is lesson number 6, page number 26. Okay, to page number 26 in your textbook, English reader. Okay, yes. Shall we all? Yes, yes. Are you all sitting straight? Yes. Now over to Kanchana ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Ashwini ma'am. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. Yes, I want a loud happy morning from everyone. Come on, sit straight. Yes, sit straight, everyone. Okay, so you learned about so many interesting facts about monkeys, isn't it, children? Yes? Okay, so today we are going to learn a new chapter in English. Okay, it's chapter number 6. The monkeys go fasting. The monkeys go fasting. Yes. So, how many of you have seen monkey, children? How many of you have seen a monkey? Yes, come on, answer in chat. How many of you have seen a monkey? Yes, okay. It's only few responses I'm getting. Why is it so? Yes, okay, all right, fine, super. Okay, where you have seen the monkey, children? Where have you seen the monkey? Yes? Temple. Okay, you have seen in temple. Okay, then zoo. Zoo also you can see monkeys, isn't it? Okay. So you all have seen monkeys in temple, isn't it, children? Did it snatch anything from you? Yes? Those who have seen the monkey in the temple, did it snatch anything from you? Have you experienced that? Have you experienced that? Yes? See, in temple and all, no, you will have bananas, coconuts, isn't it, with you? The monkeys will come and no, it will be about to snatch it from you, isn't it? Yes? Okay, children, okay. But you know what, children? These monkeys are intelligent. They are very, very intelligent. Okay, say for example, if you give a chocolate to the monkey, what it will do, it knows to remove the wrapper of it and it will eat, children. The monkeys are very, very intelligent. They know how to open a refrigerator. Yes, where they can get their food. Yes, they know everything. Okay, monkeys are very intelligent, but monkeys are very naughty and funny creatures. Yes, monkeys are very naughty and funny creatures. Okay, yes. Okay, so this story is going to be about monkeys. So this story is also going to be very, very funny, isn't it? Funny, and it's going to be very, very interesting. Okay, children, are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready? Gilja ma'am, can you hear my voice? Is it breaking, ma'am?
No, ma'am,
Gilja
audible,
ma'am?
ma'am. Ma'am, audible, ma'am.
Audible? Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine. Can I think so? You might have some network issues. Okay? Yes, sit in a proper place where you get proper network. Okay, children. So today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay, yes, and this lesson will be very, very interesting for you all. Yes, yes. Okay, so the name of this lesson is The Monkeys Go Fasting. What is the name of this lesson? The Monkeys Go Fasting. Yes. So, what is the meaning of fasting, children? What is the meaning of fasting? Fasting means what? Fast means what, children? See, you would have heard from your mother or grandmother. Yes, they will say, no, today I will not have breakfast till we complete the puja. Yes, you would have heard from your mother and grandmother, especially. Yes, have you heard? Have you heard? Today I will not have my breakfast because no, today we have puja in our home. Yes, all I've heard. Very good. So that is the meaning of fasting. Okay, it's a time during which we do not eat food. Okay, yes. So now you know the meaning of it, isn't it? So from now on, when your mother or grandmother says that we will not have breakfast today, you ask, oh, you're in your fasting, huh? Like that you ask, okay? Because you know the word for that now. That is the meaning of fasting. Okay, it's the time during which we do not eat food. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, so now we will see what's happening. Okay, one day monkeys, troop means group of monkeys means group of monkeys. One day, a troop of monkeys decided to go on a day's fast. Okay, so these monkeys know they have decided, okay, today we should not eat anything. We will go on fasting. Okay, because they are celebrating a festival. What they are doing, they are celebrating a festival. Okay, yes, during a home also, no, during any auspicious day or during any festivals only, your mother and grandmother will say, isn't it, children? Today we will not eat, like that. Yes, so these monkeys are also celebrating a festival. Okay, so they have planned, okay, today we will not eat. Today we will do fasting. Okay, now let's see what's happening. Okay, children? Yes.
Yes. So they all had a fasting, right? Yes, to celebrate a festival. So there is an old monkey, an old chief monkey is there. So that monkey is telling, so before we begin our fast, I think we should keep the food ready with which we will break our fast. So why this chief monkey is telling like this? Because in here we are going on fasting. By the end of the fasting, we will be so hungry. So we cannot go and find for the food at that time. So what the old monkey decided, he called a few young monkey, okay, young monkey from the group, and he asked that monkeys to go and find some food. Okay, so he asked to go and find some food and come. Like that he is telling. So immediately what the young monkeys did, they went in search of the food. See, they are going in search of food.
Yes.
Yes, can you see the old monkey is telling, come on, go in search of food. Yes, can you see? The young monkeys, they are going in search of food. Yes, now they are bringing something. What is that? What is that? They are bringing something. What is that one? Come on, answer in the chat. What is that? Yes, bananas. Yes, a lot of delicious bananas. Yes, they are bringing, while return, they are bringing lot of delicious bananas. Okay, see, everyone are happy to see the bananas. And now the old chief monkey is telling, I think each of us should keep our share of bananas with us before we begin our fast. So what this old monkey is telling, yes, now the bananas are ready. Yes, so before that I would like to give all the shares to you. Okay, I would like to share the bananas to you. I want to give the share of yours so that you all will keep it ready. So when at the end of the fasting, we won't have time to do that and all. So I now itself I will give your share. Okay, like that the monkey is telling. Okay, so the old chief monkey is telling, now I'll give your share, keep it ready. Once when the fasting gets over, we are going to eat. Okay, like that the chief monkey is telling.
Yes, children. So the chief monkey told, yes, all of you keep your share ready. But you know, the monkeys were already hungry. Yes, they are already hungry. See, just imagine, children, when you are hungry, if your mother kept some delicious cake or ice cream in front of you, how you will feel? You will not eat it. Yes, you will be tempted, no? You'll be tempted, isn't it? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, yes, exactly. Like that, the monkey also, no, these monkeys were very hungry and they were also very tempted. Okay, now for young monkey, can you all see in the screen, children? One young monkey, no? That young monkey is asking, why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready to eat? See, this young monkey is asking, why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready to eat? See, what is the meaning of peel, children? Peel means what? Peel means remove the skin from a fruit or vegetable. Okay, peel means remove the skin from a fruit or vegetable. That is peeling. Okay, so this young monkey is asking, why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready to eat? Okay, so now what's happening? We will see. Okay, see, immediately one fat monkey is responding. Can you all see the young monkey asking? Yes, yes, see, he's asking to his troop of monkeys, isn't it? Yes. Okay, now the fat monkey is telling, yes, yes, we will do that. Immediately, the fat monkey is telling what the fat monkey is telling. Yes, yes, we will do that. Yes. Okay, now because the bananas look very delicious, isn't it? And all the monkeys were very hungry children. Okay, so they wanted to eat the bananas immediately. So they were telling, yes, yes, we will peel the banana and keep it ready. Nikhil, stop sharing the screen. Kana, see, if you're going to be the presenter, then again it will be a problem. The screen sharing will go. Okay? Yes? Don't be the presenter, children. Don't touch the screen. Yes. Okay. So now we will see what's happening. Okay. Yes.
Yes. What's happening? So one of the little monkey among the troop, what it asked, why don't we peel one banana and keep it ready to eat? So that little monkey is asking. So one among the monkey, okay, fat monkey is there. It also supported the idea. Yes, yes. Why don't we keep it, okay, peeled? So now the chief monkey is telling, all right, said the chief monkey. We will all do that. Now the chief monkey is telling, yes, all right, we will all keep the bananas peeled and keep it ready. But all should do one thing, you should not eat them unless it is time to break our fast. It means till the fasting get over, you should never eat it. Okay. What the chief monkey is telling? Yes, you can all peel the banana and keep it ready, but you should not what? Eat them before the fasting get over. Now what the all other monkeys did? Okay, they were already hungry, isn't it or not? So they all nodded. What do you mean by nodded? Just now ma'am said, nodded, nodding your head to move your head up and down. If someone asks you, you say yes by nodding your head, right? Yes, come on, nod your head, all of you. Yes, yes, nod your head. Yes, very good. So likewise, the monkeys also nodded. See, and they are what? Peeled the bananas and they were ready. They were about to eat. Okay, so they were ready with the bananas. So all the monkeys were very hungry. Think, children, if something your parents have given. Okay, say for example, they have given an ice cream for you. Okay, so they kept in front of you and they said, please don't eat it, only after that you should eat. How you will feel? How you will feel? You'll be feeling tempted, right, to eat immediately. You will tell your mother that, Mama, I want to eat it. Otherwise, during the festival times, your mother will prepare every this thing for puja, right? Isn't it or not? So you'll be tempted on seeing those items, payasam, vada, yes, laddu, isn't it or not? Immediately you'll ask your mother, you will what you will yes, you'll ask your parents, right? Yes, shall I eat it right now, right? Likewise, these monkeys were also very hungry on seeing this bananas. Okay, it was tempting them a lot. Okay, now they were keeping the bananas peeled and they are looking the bananas. Okay, now
Yes, children, can you all see? Yes, the monkey bananas peeled means removing the skin from a fruit. Okay, now ask one little monkey. Can you all see the little monkey in the screen? He's asking to his father, can I place the banana in my mouth? See what the little monkey is asking, children. Can I place the banana in my mouth? Yes, see how funny, no, these monkeys are. Yes, first they bought the food which they have to eat after the fast gets over. Yes, then they wanted to have their share. Then they have to peel the banana. Now the little monkey is asking, can I place the banana in my mouth? Please, I promise not to eat it till evening. So this monkey is asking to his father, please, I'll keep the banana. I'll place the banana in my mouth, but I promise I will not eat it till evening. Okay. On hearing this, the father monkey smiled. Okay, because the father monkey, no, he did not like the idea of fast. Okay, he did not like the idea of fast. Okay, since all the other monkeys said, yes, today we will go fasting, this father monkey also told okay. But actually, the father monkey was not interested in doing fasting. Was the father monkey interested, children? Was the father monkey interested in doing fasting? Come on, answer in chat. Yes, father monkey is interested in doing fasting? Yes or no? No, very good, Kanna. Yes, the father monkey is not interested in doing fasting. Okay, yes. So now the father monkey is talking to his troop of monkeys. Okay, troop means group of monkeys. He's talking to his place a banana in our. He is also telling now. Yes, that's a very nice idea, no? Why don't we all place a banana in our mouths? That way, we can eat them immediately. What he is telling. That way, we can eat them immediately. Okay. After we break our fast. So now the father monkey is telling, dear friends, why don't we all place a banana in our mouths? Yes, so that as soon as our fasting gets over, we can eat it immediately. Our time will not be wasted. Like that, the father monkey is telling, see children, how funny creatures are these monkeys, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes, from this itself we can understand, no? Yes, they are funny creatures. Yes. Okay, now we will see what's happening. Okay, are you all interested to know? Yes, whether all the monkeys accepted to keep the banana in their mouth? Are you all interested in knowing that? Yes or no? Yes means show a thumbs up sign. Then only I'll tell. Yes? Yes? Are you all interested? Okay. So, okay, now I'll show in the screen. Everyone look at the screen. Yes, now the father monkey is giving a suggestion. Yes, we all will keep the banana in our mouth. Yes, so now see what's going to happen. The peeled banana in his hands are, yes, what are they doing? Can you all see the screen? What are they doing? Yes? Yes. Bananas. Yes, as soon as they keep the banana in their mouth, what happened? In no time, the yummy bananas disappeared. Okay, down their throats and into their tummies. Yes, because everyone thought it's a smart idea. Smart means what? Clever idea. Okay, yes, it's a very clever idea. So smartness lies only in cleverness. Okay, we should not think, yes, if we buy, costly clothes and if we dress up well, we will look smart. No, it's not like that. Smartness lies only on your cleverness. Okay? Yes. Are my children smart? Yes? Are my children smart? Yes, very good. You all are smart, clever kids, isn't it? Yes. So, all the monkeys kept the peeled banana in their mouth, and in no time, the bananas disappeared. Can you all see the banana peels, children? See how many bananas these monkeys are eating. Thus the fasting ended. This is how the fasting ended. See, children, how no these monkeys they don't have any control on themselves, isn't it?
Yes, what the monkeys did, they all ate the bananas. Yes, did they follow the fasting? Yes or no? Did they follow the fasting? No. Isn't it or not? Yes. This is correct. Is this correct? Is this correct? What they have did is correct? Tell me, it's correct or not? No. Why you're telling it's no? Yes. When you are committed to something, okay. So when you are planned for something, we should do that correctly. Okay. So whatever you're planned, you should do that correctly. Okay. Till the end, we have to follow it. Okay, you should not break that in between. Okay, so sometimes we make it a diversion. Okay, sometimes we make it diversion. So someone will say you will be doing the good thing, right? Yes, someone will interrupt and say no, you have to follow this, that, this, but you have to have a control on yourself. Okay, you should control your mind so that only we can achieve our goals. Okay, so for example, you will set a goal that we should what? Become a doctor, or I should be an artist. Like that, you will plan for something. So what you have to do? So you have to work accordingly, right? So when you are plan for something, you have to work accordingly. Okay, so when someone interrupted, no, you are interested in this only. No, you have to study this one. No, you have to follow this one. This will be good. That will be good. So you have to be firm, and you should have the confident in you. Okay, to achieve your goals, you should have this in your mind. Okay, this is a big example, but at this age, you should have the control of yourself. So, like as ma'am said, your mother will prepare so many dishes to do puja at home, right? Yes, they will. Do puja. Before puja itself, you will start pestering your parents. Ma, shall I take this? Otherwise, you will try to touch it or take it without the noticing of your mother. You can do that? No. Yeah, isn't it or not? So they are doing puja means you also should follow that. So you should not be tempted at that time. Okay. So likewise, you should have the control over the. This lesson is all about how to control yourself. Okay. So this is a funny story as well as, but there is a moral. Can you say some other moral like this from the story? Yes. You can unmute and take. Yes, from this lesson, what you learn. So whatever we are learning, we should take something from that, right? The good things. Likewise, can you say something from this lesson? What you observe? See these monkeys. Yes, they started with the fasting. First, they started to have their share. Then later, they peeled the banana. And what they did, they kept it inside the mouth. And later, they started to eat the bananas, right? Yes. Please come on, anyone, you can unmute and say what you understand. Yes, what you should do, what you should not do. Yes, you can tell your own words. So, okay. Yes, come on.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kanna, Niralaya, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Yes, Sai Lakshmi, very good. Always you should keep up your words. Super, very good. Yes, Niralaya.
The monkey takes the food but did not eat the food, ma'am.
He did not eat the bananas.
Ma'am,
Isn't?
just that, but he can eat, ma'am. Ma'am,
You are telling that they can eat it after the fasting, right? Yes, they should have eaten it
yes,
after the fasting. Very good. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. One at a time, one at a time.
Down fast.
Yes, yes.
But
Kanaka.
they didn't go. They were tempted
Yes.
by the bananas.
Yes, very good. Yes.
need to go in elders' way.
I can't get you, Kanna. Yes, come again.
We need to go in elders' way.
Superb. You have to obey the words of the elders, right? Very good. Superb. Yes.
Monkey love many bananas.
Monkey love bananas. Very good. Monkey love bananas. You have taken that.
Many bananas.
Many bananas. Okay, okay. Superb. Yes.
Be focused.
What Kanna?
Be focused. Monkey love bananas, ma'am.
Monkeys love. Yes, very good. Monkey love bananas. Yes. What you learned? What you learned from this lesson?
Everyone listen to the monkey. Great idea.
Everyone listen to the monkey. See, at a time, everyone are talking. I can't get you, Kanna. Yes, one at a time. Yes, Deepthi.
Everyone's father monkey. Smart ideas, mother monkey.
Father monkey said a smart idea. Very good. What idea? To keep the bananas inside the mouth, right? He accepted.
Swing, ma'am.
Monkeys like to swing.
To swing.
You
Ma'am?
like to swing.
Ma'am? No.
Yes,
They will like to swing, ma'am.
they likes to swing. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Nandika, ma'am.
Yes, Nandika.
Kailash, ma'am. Be focused.
Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll hear from everyone. Yes, Nandika. Yes, Nandika. Come on, tell me, Kanna.
To be focused on what we say.
Yes, superb. We have to focus on what we say. That's what ma'am also said. No, yes. So when we are focusing on something, we should do that. Very good, Nandika. Yes. Yes, who is that? Next one.
Sharing is very good idea.
What, Kanna?
Sharing is
Who will be?
good idea.
Sharing is good idea. Very good. Superb. Yes, the one thing, good thing is sharing is a very good idea. So they didn't take, they have given the share equally, right? Very good. Superb, Kanna. Very nice. Yes.
They are intelligent, ma'am.
Yes, monkeys are intelligent. Very good.
ma'am.
Sharing is caring. Very good. Very good. Superb. So you are learning so many things, right? From one lesson, you are learning so many things, right? Will you all do that? Yes. Whatever ma'am said, whatever yours said, yes. Your friend said, will you all follow this? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Superb, children. Very nice of you. So I hope you all enjoyed the session, right? Yes, you all like this lesson? Yes, once after the session get over, this is page number 26 in your English reader. Okay, come on, take the book and start reading. There are many new words in this lesson. Okay, you all have to read the lesson. Okay, children? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed, right? Yes or no? You all like the story, right? Yes, very good. That's all.